Is it there's a round shaped flat? This one?
Got a flat tire. Oh, that's the nail. That's the hole. Yeah, come on. Let's go. Use this repair kit. So this is all part of your homeschooling, life skills. Because it's home time now for Boom, no more school. You can see this air coming out.
Smells gassy. Oh, it's been over here. Hey, what's of it? Oh my gosh.
So there it is, that's the hole. We're going to patch that up. Push it in.
One.
Okay, so that's a sticky bit in there, right, Boom?
Yep. So I don't like that.
Okay. Now that's the hard part. Take that out and put that in. Not easy, eh, son?
Yeah, left hand is not strong enough.
So use the right hand.
Not that one either.
Come on, hey, go, keep going. It's going in. There you go. So you got it in, eh?
It helped me. Thank you.
Okay, go.
Pull it out.
You just hold it tight there, then pull the thing out. Yeah, but hold, yeah, keep it tight. Get him out so I can see. Yeah. Okay, then take it out. That's it. You see it now?
Yeah.
Get the blade. Okay, and just trim it. Not too close. Down a little bit more. Yeah. Don't cut your fingers. That's it. So that's done. That's the repair. I've done quite a few of those.
36 psi.
Yeah, so you pump it up to about 34. Okay, go. Let's go. Okay, that's about right. Okay, so that's our PSI. How about? And that's our repair there. We were gonna leave it for the girls to do, but Boom feels sorry for his sisters. Hey, Boom?
I feel bad for my sister, so I do it for them.
Is they're the one who make the puncture, eh?
Yeah, on Sunday.
Yeah, that on you, Boom. It's all good practice.
Why is this one tight?
It's alright. We tighten it when the tire's down. Yes, so coming to the end of our video here. So pretty much Maka has done most of this. It's all part of his training, our homeschool life, how to repair puncture on the tire. And this is the type of repair that I use for my punctures, and it's pretty good. It holds up pretty well until the tire's all worn and needs to be replaced later on. But this always seems to fix the problem. It's much easier, cheaper, and we don't have to take it into the tire repair shop to get it fixed, because I think it's about 30, 40 bucks for puncture repair. Yeah, so it's good that the twins have a fair idea now they can do this, and Maka's getting there. Twist it the other way. All done, eh, son?
Yep. And the monkey hand.
Tighten it now. So after you put it out, then you do the final tightening. Humble. Okay. See?
That's how you doing the puncture, guys. Niue style.
Yes. So this is Nina's puncture repair kit. My late sister. She passed away in 2019. And I have used quite a few of these. I think I've gone through a couple of these patches here. 5 years later, I'm still using all the stuff from my sis. Thank you heaps, Pay. And there it is. Maka has managed to change that. With minimal supervision from myself, because we've been doing this quite a few times already. and it's good to see that he's pretty much got the hang of it. So by next time, he should be able to do it all by himself.